Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. And today guys, well, we're gonna be using CSS in HTML part 4. So you may be wondering, why are we using CSS? You told us we are only using HTML because CSS is useful for people to make websites. So let's put in HTML. Now, let's put HTML, let's put in the head, and let's put in my fourth website. Now, we'll be putting the body. Alright, and I'll say, hello world. Alright, so let's do that. Let's save my fourth website. So we go to desktop and save. It doesn't matter which location. My fourth website, and there we go. It says hello world, and let's change the background color by using CSS. Now, to do it, put in body. Now, let's put in background color, and I want to set it to black. Put a colon right there. Alright, let's save. And let's see what it looks like. Everything's all black. And look, I can't see my text a little bit. So let's try to do that by using, let's use body again. No, I meant let's go back to the body and let's put in color white. Color is for text. So let's put in FFFFFF right there. And also switch that to, okay. Instead, we delete that, and we're gonna put in HTML. Now we're gonna put in color will be FFFFFF. Alright, so our text will change to white. As soon as we reload it, look, there's our white text. Now, to put it on a div, have to use a different font at the same time. So CSS web save fonts. Thanks to the W3 schools, it's so useful. So let's choose a font like this, for example. Let's try that. Now we see this is the body, right? But we don't really need that. We don't really need that, guys. So what's next is put in this. Now this time, change the body into the div you are gonna name to. You need an ID for this. So let's put in our neat font. Let's put in default font. That's what we are gonna name it. Now let's put in, look at my new font. Now, as we can see, we put in div and put the ID. Now, put default font in there. Now let's put in the color too. This time I want to change it to a different color. So let's change it to my favorite color, red. And let's put in some words. Lorem ipsum. That's a made up font made in the 1800s. So let's save it and watch what it looks like. Look at that. Now, as you can see, I wanna put my website right to the center. So, I want to do is go to the HTML again, put in add drawing content, maybe. Let's put in center. I never done this before in CSS in my life. Let's try. Oh, it doesn't work. Oh. Wham, 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 wham. What about text headline? Center. Maybe the code will be tricked. There! Look! Now, what's next is your favorite color. Do you want to put your favorite color in your website? Well, here's the cool thing. Put in any name you like, what your color will be for your canvas. We're gonna put in canvas this time. So let's put in my favorite color. Let's put in my favorite color, guys. So let's put in the background color, and let's put in a random color. Maybe my favorite, my real favorite color. Now, I want to change the height. I don't want it too big, so we're gonna put in height. And let's put in 100 pixels, just medium size. And 100 pixels, and there. Now, just what? Go all the way down, you guys. Okay. So now, let's put a div, and let's put in the name that we named for our favorite color last time. So let's put in color. Oh yeah, I forgot. Change the div to canvas this time. If you put it on a div, it doesn't work. So make sure you do that. Change your div to canvas. And look. Wow, wow, wow. Beauty, right? And look. If you go to inspect, look. No background color. Everything's organized with style. Now, what's next is the border. So let's put in image frame. I want that. Now I want is the border will be 10 pixels at its default color. Now we go down all the way down. Now let's put in div. We're going back with the div, you guys. Now let's put in image frame. Now we start to put some content right here. Like let's put in the logo we opened. For example, let's try this image. Copy image address. and we put in this. Now, let's save, and let's see what it looks like. I don't see the border, you guys. Sometimes border doesn't work. I have an idea. Let's change the image's height again. So, let's put in the pixels. Let's put in the width. It will be 50 pixels too. Now watch this. It'll turn into a tiny, teeny square. And sometimes it does to the left. Because, I never used style before. Well, sometimes. Anyways, let's start some new content. Now, I want to do is to put a rounded corner button. So, let's try to do that. A rounded corner content. Let's put in the border radius. That will be 30 pixels. That's what I like to be. Now, let's go back. Now let's put in the ID. Rounded corner content. Oh, that's great. Now let's put in the button you would like. Let's put in click here. Alright, let's save it. Let's see. Alright, I don't see it, guys. I was wondering why. Where's the button? Where's the button? Sometimes script is always corrupted. Sometimes. Oh, and look at that. It's right here this whole time. Now, sometimes you need to set to 50 pixels to make it rounded. A rounded corner button. Let's try that. If it doesn't work, we'll skip. Alright. Maybe it doesn't work, guys. Don't try buttons or rounded corners. Don't try that. It's impossible for you. Maybe it works on JavaScript. I don't care which coding language you like Python, JavaScript, CSS, HTML, and more. Now, next stop is link. Let's change the link styles. Now, let's name it that way. Now, I want for the link is to have a color. Now, I want to set it to FFF. Alright, cool. So, I want I didn't think of something. Oh well. Okay, so let's put in the div ID. Let's put in styles, link styles. Tell me if this works. HIF. Let's put in google.com. That's where I would go. I'm gonna put click here. Now let's go to file, go to save, reload. Now it shows you this blue thingy, right? Now, I don't want to be like that. It's just my mistake, guys. Just my mistake. So, you know what, guys? Let's remove the div and move the ID to the anchor. So, you know what? Put ID, put a link styles. Now I need a capital, just in case it matches the text. Now, let's save. And here you go. That's what I like. That's what I like right here. And I think it works on buttons. I think I got the div wrong. If you want to do an anchor or a button or even an image frame or an image, just put in the ID to the tag from your image, anchor or button. It doesn't matter. So, button ID will be, let's scroll up. I'll put it in rounded corner content. Let's see if that works. Guys. Fingers crossed, guys. Yes! We made the button rounded cornered. And that's cool. And you know what, guys? Let's separate it a little bit. Yeah, how about that, huh? How about that? Save. Let's see. There we go. That's what I want. Now, is this like a physical being? The button just went through the image, and I don't know how. All right. Anyways, let's remove the div. I knew it this whole time. I didn't know, you guys. I meant image frame. And I won't believe it. I can't believe it. I can't believe that worked. Yep. Look at that. La la la. It's good. Alright. Now this is cool. I can't believe it. Alright, and now what's next is iframe. So let's put in let's put in iframe. Now let's put in the border. The border will be 10 pixels, and the border color will be FF0000, my favorite color. Border radius, and that will be 30 pixels, of course. Now, let's put in the whole thing. Now, let's put in iframe, and the height will be 200, and the width will be 400. And let's put in the ID to iframe that we named it before. Now let's put in the SOC. Let's put in Google. Sorry, spelled Google wrong. Google.com. Alright, that's great. And save. Let's see how's it going. Oh wow! Look at that iframe. It has rounded corners. Rounded corners, you guys. This is what I've been waiting for. Yay! We did it. We did, guys. Woo! Alright, let's change it to hips. Let's change to hips. Just in case it makes sense. Let's see. Yeah, it doesn't work. And also, that is cool. And when you inspect and remove the style, look. See? Everything classic. Look at that. No rounded corners. No white font. No font anymore. Just some regular website. Yeah, and this is cool, guys. So if you're so interested in it, do it right now. Bye bye.